Welcome to Nick Mayer Ford, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist,
alloy wheels, steering wheel controls,
fully automatic headlights,
keyless entry,
split fold-down rear seat,
parking sensors, heated front seats,
heated door mirrors, dual front side impact airbags,
and has less than 45,000 miles on the odometer.
Family-owned Nick Mayer Ford has been proudly serving our community for nearly 70 years. We have a friendly and knowledgeable staff that is dedicated to providing the best customer experience for anyone that comes in. Our team members are selected based on their demonstration of an unwavering attitude of the importance of customer care and satisfaction. We strive to give each customer a luxury experience, whether they're getting an oil change or buying a new or used vehicle. Nick Mayer Ford, we're here to service and sell cars now and in the future.